If you're still working with the layout's default layout, congratulations, you are living in hard mode. Today, we are going to fix that. Let's make this thing work your way.
Let's start with your workspace. It's a digital equivalent of cleaning your desk. Go to Window, and this is where all your panels live. Layers, textiles, color, pages, and the rest. Like you see, we have character tab open, and if you go Window, text, you click on it's checked here. If you click on it, it disappears. To get it back, go to Window, text, character, and it appears. You can change your workspace however you like. You can drag it off. You can merge two or how many you like. You can put them on wherever you like, even on the second screen. You can give them their own space. And if you're set up like you want, it's good idea to save it. So go to Window, Panels, and Add Preset. And you can do how many presets you want or whatever kind of work you need. Give it a name, whatever suits for you. I put new here, okay. And now it's saved. In the previous video, we've done this too, and it's Affinity YouTube tutorials. And if I click on it, now I'm back where I started. And if I want my new one, I just go Window, Panels, I choose my new work view, and like you see, everything changed. Next up, Toolbars. Just click on this empty space wherever, and right click, Customize Toolbar. And here you see whatever you might need to make your work easier. Aligning, flipping, merging. So all you have to do is just click and drag it on the toolbar here. And if you don't want it, you can just click and drag it off, and it makes this little animation here. They even have those separators here, so you can click, drag it here, and you can do your different sections here. Now, and if you're all done, you have everything you want up here. You just click done, and you are ready to go. Now, on the left, you've got the Tools panel, home to all your drawing, text, and frame tools. To customize it, go to View and Tools and Customize. And again, you can see different kind of tools for your needs, and you can actually mix your pixel and vector tools, and you can put them here too. So in default it shows only layout tools, but let's say we want let's say corner tool, because we are doing rounded corners much. And now let's give it a color. Let's lose the grid, and you can use your corner tool inside of layout. Usually it's in vector. You can see this tool here, but you can mix them. Now, if you have changed your mind, go to View, Tools, Customize, and you can just drag it off. And again, you can see this little animation. And now, if everything is done, again, it's good idea to save it. Sadly, I didn't find how to overwrite the preset. So what can you do is go to Manage Presets, click on this new one you created. You can delete it, and then just go Windows, Panels, Add Preset, and let's do new again. And now, if you change your panels, you see the toolbar changes too. And now for the real-time saver, shortcuts. Go to Affinity, Settings. On PC it's under Edit. On Mac it's under Affinity, Settings. And this window pops open. This window looks intimidating, but it's pure gold. You see categories like file, edit, text, and so on. For tutorial purposes, I will change this preview mode. If there's something there that you don't like, just click on this little X here and it's gone. Then click this field again and put in the new shortcut. So now it's not Ctrl W anymore, it's Shift W. But let me show you. If you put something in that's already exists, it shows this little red, yellow triangle here with and what is using this shortcut right now. So let's delete it and put in our new shortcut. And if you're done, you just can save it. You can use your Affinity Layout shortcuts wherever if you have them with you. And now let's try it out. Let's Shift W and see it shows grids or grids off. But now let's go back to Affinity settings and let's make some more tweaks here. Under performance, here you can change your RAM usage limit or disk usage warning at if you need to change them. But one very useful thing is undo limit. I have put it on 1024, but I won't use so many, but it's nice to have. And it goes up to 8000. But if you need 8000 undos, I think it's better to just start your file over. And second very useful thing is file recovery interval. It takes seconds. It's from 30 seconds to 2700 seconds, and it's the time that Affinity saves your work automatically. So if anything freezes or for some reason Affinity shuts down, everything won't be lost, because Affinity automatically saves your work in every, for me it's 300, but you can choose whatever time you want. And one more thing is user interface. You can change how your Affinity layout looks. Background gray level, you can put it all the way to black or to white. I like to keep it a little bit gray side. Then text contrast. If those texts are too bright for you, you just drag it and you see they are faded out. But for me, I like it contrasty. Then the UA brightness, you see everything went lighter gray. It looks a little bit strange for me, so I keep it dark. And now let's talk about workflow candy, little tricks that save seconds and add up fast. For navigating around on layout, just click and hold spacebar. You see the arrow turns to hand, and click and drag, and you can pan around. All you have to do is click and hold space, and then with mouse just click and drag. And now the second candy is when you hold the Shift command and click and drag. It's basically same if you hold down the Shift and Option or Alt key. So you have two options to duplicate your things. Then there's Affinity is quite crowded here, but you need all of those. But if you want a clean plate, just to look at your work, just click Tab, and it hides all your tools. And the last one, my favorite, is Shift W, that turns on preview mode, on preview mode off. Because I like to use grids, but when the work is done or I want to look at them without grids, I just click Shift W. But if you don't like shortcuts, you want to click buttons, then this button here, you see this I button, toggle preview. Click here and it works the same way.
Next up, we'll tackle master pages and sections, how to automate your design layout so you spend less time dragging boxes and more time looking like you know what you are doing. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and go show off your brand new Workspace confidence.